Tax credits are government incentives that are used to support local film producers or production companies to help reduce their production costs. A lot of countries give tax credits: France, Fiji, Saudi Arabia, United Kingdom, South Africa, Rwanda. I remember there was a time the Ghanaian government supported the production of Beast of No Nation on logistics, and that's a lot of money because you moving around, moving your cast and crew around, moving your A-list artists around, it's a lot of money. So compare if you have that kind of support in this age and time where things are very, very expensive on your production, that would do you a lot of good. The China government gives 40% cash rebate. Do you know you're getting cash back for producing your film in China? That is cool money. They also give a 10% business tax credit if you qualify for it in a certain region in China. I don't know how to pronounce it, but you can do your research. They also give that tax credit as well for businesses. They also give tax exemptions on equipment rental and hotel rental. So you can imagine if you have a budget and you know, oh, I need more money, but at the end of the day, I can get tax rebate or credit from a particular country or a province. Imagine 25% taken out. You can use that money for your next production. You can use that money to invest in other ideas you have that are upcoming, which helps you to be a good producer at the end of the day. Like the Morocco Film Commission gives a 30% rebate or tax credit. They also give tax exemptions on equipment. Paramount Film also benefited from tax credits when they produced Snake Eye in Japan. So you can get tax credits in various ways depending if you qualify for it. And for you to qualify for it, first step you have to take is registration of your organization or registration of your production company, which helps open you up to more benefits. An example is the state of Georgia in the United States. They gave Black Panther 30% tax credit for that production. So when you think about, oh, how did this production come about? How do they have so much money? A lot of productions out there survive or benefit from tax credits. We also have cultural incentive. This is an incentive given to you because you have hired local talent, you have supported the local people in the community in their business for your production. So an example is if you decide to make your film production in Lagos State and you hire your cast and crew members in Lagos State, the Lagos State government can decide to give you an incentive based on that, and it reduces your production cost as well. Then we have location-based incentives. These are incentives for shooting your production in a certain region, in a certain locality. An example is like in Nigeria. If you decide to take your film production to Oyo State, the Oyo State government can say, oh, because you have brought your film production to Oyo State, maybe Ibadan or anywhere around Oyo State, we give you a 30% incentive. Or probably you go to Ghana and the Ghanaian government says, oh, because you have decided to shoot your film production in Accra or Kumasi, you decide to get a certain percentage. That percentage will do a lot to your production by the time you compare it in your budget.